Hello everyone, welcome back on Next to my channel guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, senior Unity developer, YouTuber and blogger. So in this video we are going to explore one more asset which is really very useful in games. That is the Ragdoll Dismemberment System. So it really helps us a lot when we try to implement this kind of stuff. Okay. So basically you can cut one body parts in multiple parts, and you will not get only for the humans, you will also get for animal. So let me show you that how it works and the basic structure so that you know that how it works. And if you're new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. You can also check out us on Udemy, where we teach thousands of students, and we have so many courses on the 3D modeling as well as our game development, VR development. So let's jump on Unity, and here you can see that this is the simple this asset is from Animus system. So basically I have just opened Unity asset store and we have already purchased this one. You will get the referral link, so you can just go and check out. And I've just opened this one and I imported here. If you are facing any issue, so you have to just reopen, or in case if you are facing any issue of input system, so you have to go on the player setting, and here you have to change for the both or new input system. Okay, but for the both it works every kind of plugin, so that's thing great. And after this we have to come on the asset, and here is the Animus system folder. Okay, and let me guide you the basic structure. So I'm expecting that you know very well that how the Ragdoll effect work. Okay, so most of setup is same. I will also share one video which is very old but from the Animus, and they have guide to implement on the new character, and I'm just telling you what is the setup. So first of all you have to import new character, and on that character you have to import the Ragdoll system. Okay, you will see that we have implemented that thing, and that's a simple thing. Like whenever you going to implement Ragdoll, so there should be the rigid body, capsule, character joint on the bones. So these are the bones where we have implemented Ragdoll effect. After implementing the Ragdoll effect, what is the next step? So next step is to adding the Ragdoll Dismemberment visual. Okay, and in that video they have also simply added like name and in which color we want to show here for the preview. And after this we have one more, that is the bone effect. Okay, so in bone effect, basically when we cut any body part, so it show that how it looks like. So it's just attached there, and it's up to you that how you want to show. And there is one blood spray which help us to show the blood effect, and in URP it is showing that. So we have to figure out that which material help us to show the blood like kind of effect. Okay, so hope you have the basic idea. Okay, and in this plugin you get three setup. One setup, and how you will get this setup. So first of all you have to go in the examples, and in examples you have to open the scene. And whenever you are going to open this scene, so here we are getting three setup. So let me run and let me show you. And I like one more very important thing in this, like every body parts have the strength. Okay, and on those strengths basically by using the mouse, we are just hitting those body parts, and if we are meeting that strength, so at that time it is just getting separated. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one by one. First of all, the first setup is like only Ragdoll effect, like whenever it is going to play and it is going to fall down. Here is the our character selector, here is the player camera. So the main thing is character selector, and here we have the Ragdoll. So basically it also support the LOD, which really good for the mobile devices. And here on the root we have the setup rigid body, capsule, character joint. So same setup of the Ragdoll effect. Okay, so whenever we are going here and we want to hit on any body parts, so you will see that it is getting separated. Okay, so whenever it is going to meet the strength, you can see it is not separating because we are not hitting on that strength. So whenever we are going closer, and you can see now it is separated. Okay, and in last every bones they have added this, you can see break force, break target 12,000. So it's up to you that how much you want to perform. Okay, and one more thing, whenever you are going to create, click on the space button. So I told you there is 3 setup. You will get the animal. On animal there is the same impact. You have to also set up the Ragdoll things. Okay, and in case like you can just do this thing. Okay, and one more, that is the this. So basically if you have any character which have the animation, so you can perform like, let's suppose you are hitting on hand, so you can see it is getting separated, and it is really fun part of this asset because people love their character live like real human. Like if you are going to cut one hand, so human will be alive, and we want to hit on body or one leg, so it is still alive. Okay, and on separated body part you can also hit. So it is really very amazing, and we have the animation and we can control as we want because we have this clone part and we have this animation. Okay, so it's up to you that how you want to control. And these are the things, like you can see effect we have dog, like we have the prefab 2. Okay, so you can just open and understand, but basic flow is first import the character and then implement the Ragdoll, and after that you have to add this script, that is the dismemberment. Okay, here we have Ragdoll Dismemberment visual. So hopefully you get the idea how it works. Okay, and I will also drop one link where the creator of this asset have shared that how it works, how you can implement from very beginning, but the basic workflow you know very well. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, and don't forget to check out me on Udemy, as well as also you can join me on YouTube by subscribing as well as to becoming the member. Why? Because we have so many tutorials which is really great and people are loving it. We are getting so many members to understand how multiplayer works with the Fusion 2. So I'm really excited to see you in next tutorial. Bye bye, take care.